May diaries. I started the month with a little DIY and started redecorating my living room. I even built in this little built-in cupboard, which I've never built anything like that before. It's not perfect, but it will do. I got halfway through the living room and then my poor little fur baby got ill. She's got FARS, which is basically seizures that are brought on by certain sounds like crumpling of packets. So you just have to be really careful and mindful of what sounds you're making around her. But here are some pickies of her as a little baby. She was so white and teeny tiny. She's still teeny tiny, but just the most beautiful cat ever. On a lighter note, I did some more modelling for Weekend Doll this month and got lots of beautiful clothes as well for the pleasure of doing that. I was a real social butterfly this month, but I have absolutely no evidence of it other than this tiny little bottle of Prosecco in a bucket, so you just have to take my word for it. At the end of the month, I went to Malvern Flea Market and made just one single purchase for the princely sum of £2, and it was this lovely little tuxedo waistcoat. I've got a bit of a tux obsession lately, I don't know why. Then that evening I went on to do some life modelling for the fabulous Serial Sketches in Abergavenny. And it's just so peaceful having a couple of hours just doing some posing, listen to some good music while everybody draws. It's such a great time just to switch off and think of absolutely nothing. Highly recommend it.